And so, right now, I'm going to show you the doll. Okay. Come up to this. Yeah, come up close to this one. So this is the doll. Her name is Sandy. And her is one of the nurse. Her the nurse on the cruise ship. And her has this hat what says Nurse Animal Rescue because you can see by the dolphin on it. And look at her eyes. They're blue. Did you guys ever seen blue eyes? Well, you might have blue eyes, some brown, some blue. But do you ever seen blue hair? Look at that hair, it's blue. Now I got one thing for you. Alright, and her hat, the jewel on her necklace, when you
Ahoy
put
there, I'm Sandy.
it lights up blue light, and her
Being a marine
face
biologist is my dream. What's yours?
and her face up like
Ahoy there, I'm Sandy.
that. Like, hi there, I'm Sandy. What about her shoes? And look at those shoes, they're ginormous. Her is say that. Okay. And her hair can come off. See, and because you also can film it to this hair. Million my sister, and Million I don't think it looks kind of weird. So that's why I
Ready
get
for an
this one.
adventure. Being a
This
marine
one.
biologist is my dream. What's yours? Make every day awesome.
So,
Show them the house yet or not?
Amelia, it's not a house. It's a boat.
You're filming.
And so
Show them her bed. See, she has a bed.
her has this bed.
No,
Her has this wonderful pink tiny dolphin. What
Oh, in her head.
what is
This
I know. What is pink and it's so shimmery. Yeah, see her eyes are blue. That's like dolls.
what about the rat that she pulls? Give me the rat. Give me the rat. What? Say that she has a raft.
Her has a raft, and there's a hole there for the dolphin to carry. And I wonder, you guys know why this is here? Because look at her has a hole there and on her feet, so her can stand and sit. And on the kitchen mat, on the seats, on the tub, and on the chair
Alexa,
on the front of the boat.
Set a timer for 6.5 minutes.
Pretty all there's that. Yeah. Okay, and so let's start off with her room. So this is the upstairs room where her hat. And first I'm going to show you her bed. This is her bed. Her have this for holding the bed because you don't want that to go missing. Yeah, so that's why. And it has doors on it and it's blue. Look at her actually go inside it. See? But first her has to take off her hat, but her actually can't take off her hat. Sometimes I intend to.
Show them. You don't need to.
So here's her closet, and it has these little waves and stickers, like there's some details, a pot with some flowers in, and the closet with
Just like that.
3 other things. Let me show you.
You want to do
So here are these binoculars so I can look out. Look for dolphins or birds. See? Hello! I'm watching for dolphins. And these are her 2 shirts. These are long sleeve purple one with the bow and a short sleeve pink one with the bows and some 2 white buttons. And
Don't just slow down.
yeah, and that's all. That's all. So this is how I put it in like this.
And the cameras up here.
They close up, and then I put it right here. And now that's my bedroom. That's the bedroom. Now the bathroom. So bathroom,
I don't want longer than 10 minutes.
and the bathroom has this. Look it. There's one of these things in the tub. Have these.
Can we make them like long videos? Daddy?
Okay.
And this. Sorry, it took me so long to just do time. Okay. And so, this is how I can take a bath, and I can sing. Oh, I'm Lisa. You are great, Lisa. Now let me show you the thing. Here's the place where her could put her toothbrush, and here's the sink. And I'll put the soap right here. And I see the drain look like a pie. And yeah, that's the bathroom. Now, here's the stairs what lead downstairs. I'll let it on the front of the boat. That's this stair with one of these things. Oh no. And so look at her. Get behind it. So yeah. So we're continuing.
Ahoy there, I'm Sandy. Who's ready for an let's make today make? And my motto, every day I'm ready for some fun. Ahoy there, I love to make a splash. Everywhere I get my motto, enjoy life one wave at a
Alexa,
time.
stop.
Yeah.
And say her dolphin can come splashing.
And her dolphin can come splashing. Oh, woo! Sometimes I don't use it as a pet. Sometimes I use it as a creature. Cause this is a wild animal lives in the sea. Because dolphins have fins. See there, and there. The fins are for them. These fins are for swimming. This fin is for dumping like this. Woo! Dolphin can dump like this. Real dolphin dump like this. But the biggest, the daddy dolphin can dump like this. And baby dolphins don't dump at all. Okay, now let me show you the kitten. And there's one of these in the kitten. And I got little accessories. That's like some. There's a lot of these accessories. These, like, there's this pink lemonade with a lemon and a straw. A green one with a lemon and a straw. And the donut on a plate. The strawberry cake on a cake. On a plate. And there's 1 fork and 2 knives. And I usually put them in the sink, standing and they've been washed by Sandy, that's their name. And I put these into the fridge. The fridge open and close. Okay, and so the goes there. Okay, so that's it for my video. That's it for my video.